Hey guys, Judson Bobo here again with Everything Billiards and Spas in Charlotte, North Carolina. Wanted to take a moment to spotlight the Caldera Euphoria jet. It is my favorite jet in any Caldera spa. You're going to get a good back massage with any high quality spa, but my hamstrings and glutes tend to stay tight, and the Euphoria jet is like a fire hose on the bottom of the spa that provides enough power to massage those large muscle groups. So right there in the center of the spa, just watch. We're going through that much water and that jet's still going to be kicking it up 10 to 12 inches. Right there. Just imagine putting your butt over that, how good it'll feel.